Hi first graders, welcome to StartSmart Week 3, Day 3. Okay, first we're going to look at these sentences. What's a rocket ship? So first of all, I'm going to give you 3 seconds to tell me what capital letter that is. 3, 2, 1, W. That's right. And then let's look at our end mark. Now this looks a little different than what we've seen, but normally it looks like that. So I'll give you 3 seconds to think of that. 3, 2, 1. Question mark, we're not sure. Let's read it together. What's a rocket ship? Ship? Okay, here's our next sentence. Where will it take us? Okay, capital letter, 3, 2, 1, W, end mark, 3, 2, 1, question mark. Where will it take us? Okay, next sentence, let's find out. Okay, capital letter, 3, 2, 1, L, and end mark is a little different. 3, 2, 1, exclamation mark. We're excited. Let's read it together. Let's find out. Okay, friends. So you see this box, and these little circles are sounds. So in our class, we count the sounds on our fingers, okay? So if I say am, I'd go 2 sounds. Okay, here's another word. So the circles are the sounds you put in the box, but we just use our hands. So if I say sat, let's make those sounds. At, 3 sounds. Okay, so let's do a couple of these. At, 2 sounds. Mat, at, 3 sounds. Sat, at, 3 sounds. An, 2 sounds. Rat, at, 3 sounds. Man, 3 sounds. Fan, 3 sounds. Ran, 3 sounds. Beg, egg, 3 sounds. Get, et, 3 sounds. Leg, egg, 3 sounds. Egg, 2 sounds. Red, ed, 3 sounds. Set, et, 3 sounds. And last one, bet, et, 3 sounds. Nice job pulling those sounds apart with me. Okay, we have 2 cards and name and sounds we're learning today. This is the guitar card. This is uppercase and lowercase g. The name of the letter is G. The sound of the letter is G, like a guitar. G, G, G. Okay, so you'll be learning uppercase G and lowercase g. And, yep, okay. And then this is the window card. The window card has uppercase and lowercase W. The name of the letter is W. The sound is W, 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 window. Okay, once again, you'll be learning uppercase W and lowercase w. So I'm going to go across and you're going to make the sounds G, 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 G. W, 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 W. Okay, we're going to go fairly quickly because these are letters we've already learned. 3, 2, 1, A, 3, 2, 1, B, 3, 2, 1, K, 3, 2, 1, K, 3, 2, 1, D, 3, 2, 1, E, 3, 2, 1, F, 3, 2, 1, G, 3, 2, 1, P, 3, 2, 1, E, 3, 2, 1, K, 3, 2, 1, O, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, Ah, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, W. Now friends, we're going to start blending to make words. G. Can't blend yet, now we can blend. Get, is get. Like I get a toy. Okay, what? You can't blend yet, now blend. Wet. Put it together, word is wet. Can't blend yet, we know that's a g. Now put it together. Gum. Word is gum. Okay, can't blend yet, we know it's a b. Bag. Put it together, word is bag. Can't blend yet. Win. Word is win. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Okay, keep your voice on. Egg. Word is egg. Can't blend yet, we know that's b. Blend. Beg. Word is beg. This is a ul. Blend. Leg. Word is leg. Or leg. We kind of say it a little differently. This is ul. Let. Word is let. Okay. W. Can't blend yet. Now we can. Wet. Word is wet. We know that's a g, but we can't blend yet. Get. Put it together. Get. Word is get. Met. Word is met. Men. Word is men. Okay, I'm gonna give you a second, then I'll take a turn. Can't blend yet. Blend. Blend. Word is wag. Can't blend yet. Bag. Word is bag. Your turn. Turn your voice on. Blend. Word is win. My turn. Can't blend yet. Pin. Word is pin. We'll do the rest together. G. Can't blend yet. Gum. Word is gum. Fun. Word is fun. G. Can't blend yet. Got. Word is got. Can't blend yet. Hot. Word is hot. Okay, friends, we are looking at for the g sound in a word and the w sound in a word. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds. This is a girl. Is it a g or a w? 3, 2, 1, g. This is a web. 3, 2, 1, w. This is a watch. 3, 2, 1, w. Watch. This is a goose. 3, 2, 1, g. Goose. This is a window. 3, 2, 1, w. Window. This is a goat. 3, 2, 1, g. Goat. Say each picture name, then write a G below the picture if its name ends like dog. G. So we're listening for the g at the end, this sound. Flag. 3, you're going to say yes or no. 3, 2, 1, yes. Flag. Rope. Rope. 3, 2, 1, nope, that ends with a p, p, popcorn sound. Okay, this is pointing to your knee. Nope. Leg. Leg. 3, does it have the g sound at the end? 3, 2, 1, yes. G. Leg. Okay, friends, this is the word and. Say it with me. And. Let's spell the word and. A-N-D. Spell it with me. A-N-D. Let's write the word in the air. A-N-D. Okay, and the sentence was, I like rice and beans. Okay, this is the word have. Say it with me. Have. The word have is spelled H-A-V-E. Spell it with me. H-A-V-E. Let's write the word in the air. H-A-V-E. E. Trying to do it backwards. So please notice that even though there's a super E, we don't say have. We ignore that and blend it. Have. Okay? Oh, and the sentence for have is they have fast bikes. Okay, we're going to do 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. U. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Like. 3, 2, 1. He. 3, 2, 1. Has. 3, 2, 1. Do. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. This. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. Is. 3, 2, 1. My. 3, 2, 1. Here. 3, 2, 1. We. 3, 2, 1. Look. 3, 2, 1. Play. 3, 2, 1. Are. 3, 2, 1. Little. 3, 2, 1. The. 3, 2, 1. Me. 3, 2, 1. Where. 3, 2, 1. She. 3, 2, 1. With. 3, 2, 1. For. Okay, friends, I'm going to read you this poem. This says, Zoom! If I had my own red car, I'd jump right in and travel far. But if I had a rocket ship, I'd take an even longer trip. I'd zoom up to a twinkling star. That's really, really, really far. Okay, friends, so we know that we're not going to go on a rocket ship outside of the rocket. So this is fiction. That means it's pretend. We do know people can go inside of a rocket and go to space. That would be nonfiction, real. Okay, let's read our poem again. When we listen for the poem, we're listening to sounds that sound the same. If I had my own red car, I'd jump right in and travel far. Car and far and with R, they rhyme. But if I had a rocket ship, I'd take an even longer trip. Ship and trip rhyme. They both have ip at the end. I'd zoom up to a twinkling star. That's really, really, really far. So star and far have R. They both end the same. Okay, so you are going to, I'm just going to read this once more for you, and then we'll be finished. Zoom! If I had my own red car, I'd jump right in and travel far. But if I had a rocket ship, I'd take an even longer trip. I'd zoom up to a twinkling star. That's really, really, really far. Okay, friends, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.